Welcome to our overview of assembly. Begin by going to File and New. Select a new drawing and OK. We'll choose Landscape B, OK. Now I'll expand the View palette. Select my assembly from this drop-down menu. Let's drag in the top view. Click OK. Now let's create a section view. Let's check auto hatching and flip direction. OK. And let's place it somewhere over here and click OK. Now let's create a projected view and an isometric view. Let's reposition them a little bit. OK. Let's make our isometric view shaded with edges. Now let's add the bill of materials. Select View, Annotations, Tables, Bill of Materials. Under Bill of Materials type, let's choose Parts Only. Next, we're able to select a configuration. I've only got one, so that default config displays here. We can specify the start number and the increment numbers. And lastly, down below, we can specify the border types. Now we're ready to click OK. And let's reposition our bill of materials. We have the ability to snap the bill of materials. I'm going to place it right here. And let's zoom in. Let's begin by adjusting the width of the columns. We just drag them in and out as we need. Let's shorten the description column. And here we have the item number and the start number. We select 1, etc. in increments of 1. We can select from 1 to 8. Next, we've got the part number. That's basically the name of the file. The last column here indicates the quantity. The description column, you see that it's blank right now. So let's go ahead and add some description. Right-click, select Open Part. I can populate the description column in one of two ways. First, we go to File, Save As. OK. And we type a description down below in this last field here. Click Cancel for now. Or we can go to File, Properties. Select the description property from the drop-down menu and enter your value here. Let's call it Base and click OK. And let's close and save our part. As you can see, the description field is now populated. Let's add some balloons now. Right-click, Annotations, Balloon. When I click on a part, a balloon is automatically added. And as you can see, the balloons are automatically assigned a number as well. OK. We can easily reposition the balloons as we need to. Click OK. Let's zoom to fit. And this concludes our assembly overview tutorial.